The Labour Cabinet Secretary Simon Chelugui is calling for concerted efforts to eradicate human trafficking in the country in the wake of increased numbers. Speaking during an event to mark the World Day Against Trafficking of Persons, Chelugui expressed concern over the increasing cases of human trafficking involving children, women and girls. According to the Child Protection Information Management System, women and girls comprise the highest number of those trafficked at 49% and 23% respectively.
This year's World Day Against Trafficking in Persons, which was marked virtually in strict adherence to the COVID-19 precautionary measures, provided a platform to rate the progress made in eradicating human trafficking. Speaking as he led Kenya in marking the global event, Labour Cabinet Secretary Simon Chelugui said that the current COVID-19 containment measures, which have, among others, led to job losses, has left many vulnerable to human trafficking, adding that the pandemic has also negatively affected efforts to help victims of human trafficking.
Some of the measures introduced to contain the spread of COVID-19 are exposing victims of trafficking to further exploitation, especially because of these measures have led to limited access to services, as most victims' assistance programs have scaled down operations.
Chelugui describing the vice as a major global challenge, with children, women and girls suffering the brunt.
Globally, people are trafficked for sexual exploitation, forced labor, forced begging, forced marriage, jail cell and child soldiers, removal of organs, and other forms of exploitation and abuse. Unfortunately, women at 49% and girls at 23% rank the highest among all victims of trafficking.
According to the Child Protection Information Management System, a total of 140 cases of trafficking in persons have been investigated from July 2019 to date.
From July 2019 to date, we've recorded 612 cases of child labor, 154 cases of child trafficking, and 123 cases of sexual exploitation.
Today was the fourth time Kenya was joining in the global event under the theme "Committed to the Cause, Working on the Front Line to End Human Trafficking." Chelugui using the platform to express his confidence in the ongoing efforts to eradicate human trafficking.
2018 to date, my ministry has rescued over 1,500 victims of trafficking of various nationalities, besides managing to get 61 convictions, with numerous other cases going on in various courts in the country.
This even as he underscored the need to put in more efforts and form relevant partnerships that will help the country win the war against human trafficking.
In the year 2020 report, Kenya has been ranked in Tier 2, meaning that though we have done a lot to counter trafficking in persons, we still have pending issues to deal with, and we are hopeful that U.S. government, through its embassy in Kenya, will continue collaborating with us in this endeavor.
The Ministry of Labour is currently focusing on reviewing anti-human trafficking law, protection of victims, prosecution of perpetrators, and enhancing community awareness on the dangers of human trafficking. For Channel 1 News, I'm Safin Acheng Oma.